Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Really Kenny, and here with a special guest, my mom, Jofia, Caribbean island woman. Go ahead, Mom, say hello.
Hello.
And then this is my son, Ezra, little boy. Hey, say hi, Ezra. Say hi. Okay. Anyways, just a quick update on my locks. So you're noticing, maybe if you paid attention to my other video, that my locks are a little bit different. All right. They're a little bit more laid down to the side, and I'll tell you what happened. So I noticed that these big square parts that I had, rectangular parts, I wasn't really feeling them. So I was like, damn, let me try to reach my stylist and everything. Nobody was picking up. Other people said they didn't want to touch other people's work. I'm like, all right, cool. So, oh shoot, I almost tripped and died. But, so I was like, all right, what am I going to do then? Am I going to pull them out? Am I going to restart? No, because I had a person in my comment section that was like, keep them to a touch of your shoulders. And I'm like, all right, cool. I got to figure this shit out then. Excuse my language. I got to figure this out. What am I going to do? All right. So here's what I did. Went online, figured out how to make coils. It looks good, don't it? At least it's going to be good enough until I get my retwist, right? So I chose to make my own sections. All right. The third time I had them, I had 6, but the stylist had done 3. Now she did beautiful work. I'm not going to lie, but it just wasn't for me. So I chose to make 6 on my own. So what I did was I split the lock down the middle. As you can see, that's 2, but it used to be 1. And this used to be connected into this lock. You see that? So what I did was I just pulled out the lock, went in between it where I wanted to space it at, and I made a separate part. And I made 2 more in the front, and I put 3 more in on the side. And I think it came out really good looking. Now I didn't have any clips or a blow dryer, but it'll last. Look at my mom walking up in the background. It will last until I get my hair retwisted, and in that way, my loctician can do the Lord's work. So again, if you're looking at your locks and you're like, man, I don't like these things, I'm going to restart. Don't, all right? Just hold in there. And you know what? Sometimes if you end up fucking it up, making your own parts, when you go get it to retwist, have them redo it. All right? It's not going to, I doubt your hair is going to lock that fast unless you got it interlocked or, what do they call that method? Crochet. Yeah, if you got a crochet, which I'm not doing because I love the length of my hair and I love the option to be able to comb it out later, even if it's 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the line. So I made my own parts and I'm really happy. Not gonna lie. Now, thinning might be an issue in the future. You can see it's a little curly right there, but I'm gonna have to do some maintenance with this. But I like it. Mom, do you like it?
Beautiful.
Ezra, you like it? Ezra. He's digging his grandma right now. She visiting from out of town. But I like it. And so have fun with your locks. Play with them. If people say don't touch them, fuck it. You got the length. As long as your hair don't fall out, get a little comb with a little nice little needle in it. Make the parts that you want. All right. And I'm satisfied. I'm actually ready to do this lock journey now based off how they look now. This is it. I like it right here. That one's a little fat, but it needs to be retwisted, okay? But come on, refocus. There we go. Other than that, I'm digging it 100%. I'm ready, all right? And you can't just, if you want to, you can do a dry retwist. I used a little bit of this product right here. Let's see if it comes into focus. It's, can you see it? It says Cantu Shea Butter, Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. All right. And then what I did was, real quick, if you don't have any clips or if you don't have any, clips or you don't have a blow dryer or anything like that, and you want these things to last until you get them back home, here's what you do. Or not back home, back to the retwist, back to the salon. So you make your parts, put a little bit of the gel on the tip of your finger, all right, and then you comb it through the bottom and you just start twisting it, twirling in the direction that you want to go. Lay it flat. You can lay it flat back, you can lay it to the front, you can lay it to the side, whichever. And this might actually evolve into me doing my own retwist in the future, or me teaching my girl how to do it. One of the two. And then once you're done, right, you're just going to put your do-rag on. Damn. Put your do-rag on. Now, I suck with putting a do-rag on, but I want to fasten down the sides of my hair where I put the locks in on the side. Now, I'll tell you what I do now, right? You can do this, man and woman. Don't be ashamed of a bonnet. On the front, I use a band because I don't have clips, and I banded those two front ones down, right? And then I came through with a second band and kind of angled it to hold down the sides as well, right? And to conceal that, I got two bands on my damn head. Hold on, Mom. There's some in the bag right there. Put a bonnet over the top of it. And done. And I let that shit marinate. And then I sat in front of the mirror. So this is day 2. So it's kind of like I got my twist redone. You know, my starter locks redone. And then I sat in front of a fan. Did I say the mirror at first? I don't know. But sat in front of the fan and kind of let it blow onto my hair to kind of dry it out some. I also sat a little bit outside to let my scalp dry. Then once it was dry, put a little bit of oil on it. You already know. You've probably seen a lot of people on YouTube using this, the mango and lime. And that was really it. So that's how I'm doing. I'm going to leave this on. That's how I'm really doing it. I'm satisfied with the end result right now. I'm really pleased with this. So I'm going to rock this out for a little bit. Let these things continue to grow. I hope all of y'all learned something. You know, if you're not satisfied with your locks, your starter locks, start reparting and then let the loctician do what she do and clean up, you know, whatever you made. You know what I mean? Think of it like arts and crafts. All right. And she got the eraser, or he or she got the eraser. Just let them fix it up after you're done. All right. You're not satisfied with that? Cut it in half. Try to put it back together if that don't look good to you. Comb out some of them, then re-put them back in, and then let your loctician do the work. You know what I mean? Because that's what they're there for. They're there to help you. They're there to help you out. So I don't want this video to be too much longer. I'm going to let y'all go. Please check out some of my other videos so I can get those up. And have a nice day, y'all.